Jai Gurudev. Hello everyone. I am Suhas sir and I am making this video regarding your lesson number 2, that is Windows 10. Now see, whenever you start your computer, means switch on your computer, and after it gets started, and the first screen which you see, it is known as a desktop screen, right? The screen is known as a desktop screen. In today's video we are going to cover desktops and its part, and there is one practical for class 3rd. I means how to change the window theme, that we will cover in this video, right? So shall we start now? Okay, now see here at the left hand side of this desktop, right now I am using Windows 10 operating system, and we had learned last year, right, when we go to the computer lab, which operating system we are using at that time. That was Windows 7. If you compare Windows 7 and Windows 10, what difference you see? This is Windows 10. It is more attractive than the Windows 7 operating system, right? Okay, now see this left hand side, all the small pictures are there. These are icons. Even we can call it as a apps also we can call. And how to open it? Just double click on this icon. See, like this, it will get open. So I will represent icons are the small picture which you found on the desktop. कहाँ पर होते हो? It will found on a desktop only, right? Now see, this is your start button. What is this? This is your start button. Just click it on. Now see a small. See here again, with the help you can see here tiles and menus, right? This thing you didn't see in the Windows 7, but here you will see, right? Okay, now just close here, come back again. See, next to the start button you will find the search box. Just click here, whatever you want to search, just type there. If you want to search a notepad, type there notepad and note e, it will come here. See, just click on that notepad, your notepad will get open. See, right? For what purpose the search box is used? It is used to search your programs, it is used to search your files and folder. Whatever files are there in your computer, it is used to search that files, right? Now see, next to the search box you will find a small button is there. It is a task view. What is task view? Now see, just click on it, task view. This one additional features you will find in the Windows 10. Now see here, desktop 1, desktop 2, and here is new desktop. Means here in Windows 10 you can use multiple desktop you can use, right? Now see, next to the task view here, just click on it. It is Microsoft Edge. What it is? It is a Microsoft Edge. It is a web browser, means you can directly connect to your internet. If you click on this, it will directly connect you to your internet. Now see, at the moment it is showing you are not connected, means right now there is no net here, there is no internet in our laptop. So but if we connect with the help of Wi-Fi, then it will get connect easily, and then you can search any information on the web, right? Now see, this long black line is here, right? This long black line is called as a taskbar, and where it is? At the bottom of the desktop, right? And this start button, search box, task view, where you'll find on a taskbar here. Now see, here at the right corner of this is called as a notification area. It is called as a notification area. It means if you received any message regarding your computer, if for example any viruses are there, any message regarding your computer, you will see here in this notification, right? See, if I am clicking here, see here, now this much message I have received now. So all the important messages you can receive from here. And now at the end of this, here it is a peak button here. For suppose I have opened this, I have opened this page now, right? Suppose I have opened this, again I will open it, otherwise other new folder I will open. And suppose in this way, if you have opened the multiple apps, and if you don't see your desktop, what you will do is just simply press on this peak button. See, you will directly come to your desktop screen, right? Means you can hide your apps here, right? Okay. Now see, you got the basic information about this desktop, Windows 10 desktop, right? Then again, one app is here. See here, it is a recycle bin. For what purpose it is used? For example, if you have deleted something from your computer, for example, now see, I am opening this and I want to delete this Windows 10 image from here. What I will do? Delete. See, it's get deleted from here, but whatever you have deleted from your computer, it will not get deleted permanently. And where it will go into your recycle bin here. And if you want to delete it permanently, just open your recycle bin, find there what it is, Windows, right? See here. Just click on that window, delete option is here. Now it's get deleted permanently, right? So now what we had seen this icons, start button, search box, task view, taskbar and notification area. It's are the desktop and its parts we had seen. Now we'll just see how to change your theme. So how we'll change? We'll just right click with the help of the mouse. See, wait for a moment till after right clicking, one context menu will come. On that, at the end there is a personalize option. See here, just press on it. See, here is all our settings are there. See here, background is given, pictures are here. From here you can change your theme. See here, now theme button is there, just click it on. Now see, theme means you can change the design of your operating system, right? Means the design appearance of your desktop screen. Now see, if I want to change this, what I will do, I just simply press on this. See, it will show here. Just minimize your screen from here and check. See, your desktop just changes, right? New theme we applied. Again click on here, open that page. Now see, what I will do, I will keep the same one. Again I will click on this. See, now again is get change here. Just minimize and check. See, your themes get changed. So simple. So what are the steps to change the theme? First, right click on this empty area. Anywhere on this empty area, just right click and select personalize option. After that, go to this setting, click on the theme option, right? And from here select the theme which you want, right? And that themes get applied automatically, right? It is very easy, right? If we compare with our Windows 7, all these things. If you want to change the background also, see here, click on the background. Here background option is there. Here, go here in this background option again. Your picture also given. Your solid color also given. Suppose if I want to keep this, To change the picture, just click on it, right? Now see, I will just minimize it. Just double click on that picture and your background also. See now, right? Again open this. Which picture you want, just click on that picture. See, it will automatically get applied there. If you want to change the color also, see here again in that background option, solid color is there. Just click on that solid color. See again, many colors are here, right? I have just selected rose color here. If you want to check, just minimize the screen. See again, the background color also gets applied here. Again I will come back to the screen. I will just select on this black option. I will just go on this button, click on this button. I will select picture option and see again, I want this same only, right? Earlier which was. I just minimize and check, right? Your theme will apply there, right? If you want to do few more changes also, now other buttons also, options are here. Font are there, stars are there, taskbar are there. See, taskbar also we will see now how to change. Now see, come to this corner, scroll button is there, pull down. See here, one option is here. You see, taskbar location on screen. At the moment, where is your taskbar? At the bottom. See, niche, right? At the bottom. Just click on this. What I will select here? I will just select right. Now see, just minimize and check. Now where you find the taskbar, it comes to your right side of the screen, hai na? Wherever you want. If you want at the top also, you can keep it, right? If you want on the left side also you can keep. Now what I will do, just again go to the setting here. Instead of right, at bottom only we will keep, because at bottom only it is convenient to use, and easy also to use. See now, again it comes to the bottom, right? Again one more option we will see. Now see, these all are your small icons are there. If you want to change the size of these icons, again right click here. There is a view option, right? See here, large icon option is there. So in this way you can change the size of your icons also. If you don't like this, again come to the median icon. See again. So in this way, whatever we covered today, desktop and screen, right? And how to change the window theme, right? So just go through the video, just go through your textbook, check your page number and see this video properly. So your all doubts will get clear. Okay, bye, take care.